All right, guys, we're back with Bubblegum Pink Kayla, and we're gonna show you 3 easy, cute, short hairstyles that you can do at home yourself. So first, what we're gonna do is we're going to take 2 sections, half up like so, and I'm gonna just take the front piece and I'm gonna twist it back, and as I'm twisting back, I'm just gonna add hair to that and just keep twisting. And I'm gonna keep it nice and tight. And I'm just gonna take a clear elastic. Why is everything cute with pink hair? And then I'm just gonna rubber band that off. And just to keep that twist tight in there, I'm just gonna take a bobby pin and just bobby pin that down. And then, but I'm gonna keep that twist tight in there and not pull it out. And then same thing with the other side. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other side the same. I'm gonna start up close and do a little twist, and then add some hair and twist as I'm going. I'm gonna keep that twist tight in there. And then I'm just gonna bobby pin that down. And then just fluff her up a little bit. Oh my gosh. There's your first twisted hairstyle. All right, so here's hairstyle number 2. We're just gonna do a cute little half up, and we're just gonna take the section in front of her ear, and then we're going to pull all this back, but then we're gonna pull out some cute little short guys. And we're just going to comb all this back. Kind of just get her face framing pieces out. And then we're gonna take a clear elastic from Sally's because they're the best. And we are just going to give her a cute pony. And just kind of mess that up a little. And there you have the easy half up. Okay, so for the last hairstyle number 3, we're just gonna keep this pony in, tease it up a little bit, and we're just going to wrap that pony around and just pin it in there and just kind of work it around till it's that perfect messy bun. And there you have the 3rd hairstyle for short hair. Easy, fast, doable at home. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time.